Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baklava sheets from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, a little bit of white vinegar, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a large, clean surface for rolling and a very long, thin rolling pin, ideally a dowel. Don't forget to prepare a dusting mixture of cornstarch and flour, about 1 part cornstarch to 2 parts flour, which is crucial for achieving those incredibly thin layers. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with 3/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto your work surface. Knead vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Divide the dough into 20 to 24 equal pieces, each weighing around 20 to 24 grams. Cover them and let them rest for at least 30 minutes. This is where the magic happens, rolling those incredibly thin sheets. Liberally dust your clean work surface with your cornstarch and flour mixture. Take 1 dough ball and begin rolling it from the center outwards, using your long, thin rolling pin. Aim for a sheet that is almost translucent and about 20 inches in diameter. The key is consistent, gentle pressure. Stack your rolled sheets, ensuring a generous dusting of the cornstarch mixture between each one to prevent them from sticking together. This step requires patience and practice. Once your sheets are ready, it's time to assemble your delicious baklava. Start by generously brushing your baking pan with melted butter or clarified butter, also known as ghee. Layer about 10 to 12 of your homemade sheets, brushing each individual sheet with butter. Then, spread your desired nut filling evenly. Top with another 10 to 12 buttered sheets. Cut the baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes before baking at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.